Okay, so here we can see the Bible on the left there and our stimulus sheet, our information sheet on the right. Now, using the Bible, we can use that first column there to make a point about what we see or read in the stimulus sheet that's highlighted. That third box on the Bible there can help us add something extra to our conversation. It's where we'll get our top marks. This middle section is where we can bring our partner in to respond to something that we've just said. Now, don't forget the partners can ask us something back in return sometimes as well. So to show you an example then, mae lluniau yn dangos bod plant bach yn hoffi pethau gwahanol I bobl ifanc. So the pictures show that small children like different things to young people. Dwi'n cytuno, I agree, achos mae plant bach yn hoffi teddies, ond dwi'n hoffi Xbox. Wyt ti'n cytuno? So that bit there saying, wyt ti'n cytuno? Do you agree? Bringing in someone else. And they might respond with, dwi'n cytuno efo ti. Achos dwi'n hoffi Xbox hefyd. I like it as well. Mae gen I chwaer bach 5 oed o'r enw Alice. A mae hi'n hoffi Barbie. Mae Barbie yn ddiflas. So again, bringing in something else. Dwi'n cytuno. Back to the first person there. Mae Barbie yn ddiflas iawn. Roeddwn i'n hoffi, I used to like, roeddwn i'n hoffi chwarae efo Barbie pan roeddwn i'n 6 oed, when I was 6. Ond dwi'n gysau Barbie erbyn hyn. I hate Barbie these days. So to show you a visual example of how this will go, 3 people on the board there, person 1, 2 and 3. Now person 1 might straight refer to the stimulus information sheet by saying mae lluniau yn dangos bod pobl ifanc yn hoffi mynd i'r cinema a gwylio ffilm. So chosen a picture there from the stimulus sheet about cinema and watching a film. Dwi'n cytuno, achos mae llawer o fy ffrindiau yn caru mynd i'r cinema. So giving his own response to this now. Es i'r cinema a dydd Sadwrn, a roedd y ffilm yn cool. The film was cool. So you can see there added a bit of past tense at the end to improve his work. Now person 2 might respond with something like this. Dwi'n cytuno efo ti. Mae cinema yn wych. Hoffwn I fynd i'r cinema heno efo fy nghariad. So again, bit of conditional tense there from the second person. And finally, person 3 there, well, she might want to respond to both person 1 and 2. So she might say something like this. Dwi'n anghytuno. Dwi'n casau mynd i'r cinema achos mae'n ddiflas. Mae'n well gen I prefer, mae'n well gen I chwarae tennis neu siopa efo fy mam. So she's given her opinion there on why she disagrees. So here you can see the people have changed positions and they'll make a different point. So this time person 3 will refer to the stimulus information sheet to make her point. And person 1 and 2 will then respond, agreeing or disagreeing, as you can see there. And finally person 2 will respond again.